This video is about to make money in the WhatsApp community. Now, since the WhatsApp community can have thousands of participants, you can make money with it by creating sponsored content. And you just need to agree with the business to create content promoting their products or services and get paid by them. You can also create a WhatsApp community with the purpose of selling your own products or services. And the good thing is that you can sell like everything on your community, including physical products and digital products. And you just need to post the products or services, then direct your members to where they can buy them. Another way to make money with your WhatsApp community is in doing affiliate marketing. And you need first to join an affiliate program of a company that sells products or services that interest your members. And then you can post the affiliate links on your community and encourage your members to buy through them for you to earn a commission. In addition, you can earn through your WhatsApp community by charging a subscription fee. And this is possible if you are posting extremely useful content. And you can charge people the fee to join your community or to access your content. Moreover, you can make money with your WhatsApp community through crowdfunding. And this involves asking for donations from your members. And in most cases, you need to have a good reason for asking for the donations. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it and if you want to grow and succeed on WhatsApp and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.